friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. I fully expected my dog to bark just there, and she didn't, so time will tell. We have a Stitch Fix unboxing today, and I think this is like my birthday fix I asked for. I think this will probably go up after my birthday, but we'll see. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix before and you'd like to, I'll leave a referral link down below, and you can get $25 towards your first box, and then I would get credit too when you use my link. And then there's other links too for the other boxes that I do. And yeah, let's get into it. We're gonna use our trusty rusty screwdriver to open up the box. Here we go. You know, when I say trusty rusty screwdriver, I fully expect all of you at home to be saying screwdriver as well. You know, a la like Blue's Clues or something. That's what I imagine in my head anyway. Alright, send you the mailer to send back the things you don't want to keep. Just making sure I don't have lipstick on my teeth like I sometimes usually do. Stitch Fix has like the freestyle, you know, thing where you can just purchase like one off. I did buy 2 pairs of pants from the freestyle. One was like a black paper bag waist where like the material comes up and it has a tie, and the other one was like a red cropped one, same kind of deal for work, so I was super excited about that. And we have our invoice with the prices, and then we have our note, which we will read. Let's see what stylus I have. I have a new stylus. I feel like we're just going through stylists. Okay. Hi Rachel, happy fix day. I'm Caitlin, and it was a pleasure to style your fix today. I'm so glad to see you enjoyed your last fix, and I hope this one is equally as delightful. I've packed this fix with amazing new spring trends, so I'll need a bit of trust from you, and I think we'll do great together. I was so thrilled to hear this is your birthday box and spent some time looking through your inspiration and Pinterest boards to find some amazing items for you. There's nothing better than a great fitting pair of pants for your closet. Ooh, she sent me some pants? Yeah, she did. I remember looking, but I didn't really like pay attention. I picked 2 things, I think, from like the fix preview. There's something better than a great fitting pair of pants for your closet. These cotton tie front pants are a staple for your spring wardrobe because you can dress them up or down and wear them throughout the season. They'll look great with the blue pullover and booties. Since midi length has worked well for you, I'm sending a gorgeous birthday dress for you to try. XO, Caitlin. I forgot she sent me a dress. All right. Thanks, Caitlin. I feel like I need to cough, so stay tuned. Okay, I did. Off camera. All right. Here is our bundle. Look at her. Yeah, focus on that bundle, camera. Just make me blurry. That's fine. All right, we have like a nice kind of like periwinkle lilac, some teal, some like dusty rose, some pleather, and those pants she was talking about. So it's very exciting. Let's tear into it. That was an efficient tear. This is so soft. This is so soft. Shoot. Okay, let's see. Pink. It's by Pink, P-I-N-Q-U-E. Amelia long sleeve pullover in blue. She's got a balloon sleeve. She's very soft. I'm a sucker. I'm a sucker. It's very cold in my office still. It's, you know, whenever you're seeing this, it's like end of March, early April. It's very soft. Okay, that's nice. I can't spend too much time on one item, Rachel. All right, here is the dress, which is a very strappy thing. Very strappy. It's got a kind of gather there. I have seen this one in the freestyle, and I thought it was really cute. It kind of like goes over. You'll see it, but it's got like the straps in the back. I'll have to put on my strapless bra for this one. But we're going on vacation in a couple months, so maybe that might be something good for vacation too. And it is the 9 Britain Valencia knit midi dress in teal green. They did send it in a size XXL, which I am not. Sometimes I like that for like a little more room, but I have been losing weight, so I think a regular XL would have worked. But we'll try, we'll see. You know, you never know. It's always nice to have it a little loose if you want it. And then we have the Mason & Bell Sousa crochet detail knit top in dark pink. It's cute. It's got a little twist in the front. Some snap buttons. There's the crochet in the shoulder and the back. Hello. And then the sleeves are just like a little flutter short sleeve. I think that's a pretty color. And then I wanted to try this. I don't know if I'll like it, but I wanted to try it. And it's like that pleather kind of knee-length skirt. And it has the stretchy material on the side. And it is the Viral Moda Pomona Faux Leather Pencil Skirt in black. Size 14W. We'll try that too. And then lastly, these are the pants she sent. There's the back. And they're the Mason & Bell Pike Pull-On Utility Crop in black, but it's really like a gray. That's kind of cute. I have been liking kind of like the high-waisted flowy pants lately. They take me back to when like gauchos were cool when I was in high school. Yeah, so there's our box. It's very exciting. Let's try stuff on. Here's the first top. I just have it on with my regular jeans, which are also from Stitch Fix. I think all of my jeans are from Stitch Fix at this point. It is so soft. It is so soft. I love the balloon sleeve. I like the kind of knit design on it. I think is really pretty. I feel like if I would have got, like I said, it's still cold at my work, but I feel like if I would have gotten this earlier in the winter, I would have been wearing it all the time. I still might. I think it's really, really cute. It's super cute. I think it fits really well, if I do say so myself. I love the sleeves. I just love balloon sleeves. I think the neckline's nice. It's not too high. Pretty color. It's definitely like that light blue, not like a lilac. It kind of looks like that on camera, but it's blue. It's just the blue walls throw it off. So yeah, this one's really, really nice. Okay, let's try on more. Here's the top and the skirt. I don't think the skirt's for me, but I think it's a nicely constructed skirt. I don't think it's for me. It's okay. I do really like how the sides have that stretchiness there, so it's really easy to put on. It's really soft, like it's a soft pleather. I think it feels nice. It does have like some little wrinkles right there. Here's the top too. I tucked it in for the skirt. I'll probably tuck it in for the other pants too, but I'll show you the twist in the front. I like this shirt a lot. I like the flutter sleeves. Here's the back. I think it's nice. I think it's nice. You know what? I just realized I'm zoomed in, so I don't know if you can really see the back. Yeah, there we go. So I think it's a cute outfit. I think this just isn't particularly my style. And then I'll show you the twist in the front. So if you wanted to wear it out like over your jeans or whatever, it has this twist. Again, a little wrinkly, but that could just be from being in the box. I think that's cute. I like the color a lot too. I think that's nice. Okay, let's try on the other pants. Here's the pants. They're really comfy. They have the elastic band. They have the tie here. That's a real tie. They have pockets in the front, pockets in the back. I think they're cute. I think they're cute. I mean, it's not like, they're definitely like a casual kind of pant. I'll show you the bottom, because the bottom does have the cuffs at the ankle. They're stitched cuffed, so, you know, theoretically they're gonna stay that way. I think they're kind of cute for like the weekend. Like, I would go out, you know, in this. Like, I think they're cute. The elastic might be a little tight right now, but I'm okay with that. It cinches in the waist more. I think they're nice. I kind of like them. I don't know, I'll have to think about it. I have a pair of kind of like jogger utility kind of pants, but they're more like a stiff material, so these are really thin and light. I think they're kind of nice. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Okay, let's try on the dress. Here's the dress. I think it's really beautiful. I like it a lot, actually. I do like it a lot. Here's the back. It's nice. It's nice. I just don't, yeah, I could wear it, you know, on vacation. You know, it'd be great if it had pockets, but it probably would take away from the silhouette. It's a really pretty color. The XXL, it's actually pretty good, especially for my bosom. It's a little loose in the armholes, so it has adjustable straps, so that's nice. Especially for the back, like you can see. Well, it's not that loose. It's really, really flattering dress. If I had like a summer wedding to go to or something, I would totally get this dress. Like if I saw this in the freestyle and I had an event to go to, I would get it. I love the wrap right here. It is kind of like a true wrap over some leg over there. But this material on the bottom goes over way far enough that you don't have to really worry about it too much. It's really pretty. Let me show you the length. It's really pretty. I just don't think I need it right now. So it kind of has that little bit of an asymmetrical with this piece there. It's really nice. It's really, really soft too. I think it's that 9 Britain. Was that right? Yeah, 9 Britain. 9 Britain has really soft things. So it's really pretty. I like it, but I don't think I need it right now. I think I only get things that I need / really want. But it's really nice. I really do like it. It's a fun little birthday box. All right, let's go over prices. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already and you like these kinds of unboxings. Prices. Here we go. This was a good box. This was a good first box, Caitlin. Little props there for you. Okay, so the Viramoto Pomono Faux Leather Pencil Skirt in black, size 14W, $58. The Mason & Bell Pike Pull-On Utility Crop in black, size XL, $44. The pink, PINQUE, Amelia Long Sleeve Pullover in blue, size XL, $44. The 9 Britain Valencia Knit Midi Dress in teal green, size XXL, $54. And the Mason & Bell Sousa Crochet Detail Knit Top in dark pink, size XL, $38. I did really like that top. I did really like it. I liked the V. That might be the winner. I really liked these pants too, because they're really light. I think they'd be nice in summertime. So I think it's between the pants and the top, because I really am, I'm trying to keep like one thing, you know, per box kind of thing. Unless like I like everything or like a few things I really love. I feel like the top, does anybody go to shop at Maurice's? I feel like this top in this color is very like that style top is very popular right now, especially I went to Maurice's a couple weeks ago and I saw kind of a lot of this color, so I do feel like I can maybe recreate that somehow from there. But then these ones, they're both from Mason & Bell. I haven't seen like some like lighter ones like that right now, so those might be the winner. I got some thinking to do. The Stylist Pick subtotal is $238. If you keep everything, you get 25% off, making the whole box $178.50. So, pretty good box. Pretty good box for your first time with me, Caitlin. I liked it. I liked it. Happy birthday to me whenever this comes out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having a great day, night, morning, middle of the night, whenever you watch this. I don't know. Yeah. And I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.